Aloha, Kentucky. Back to the little Ranger. Got quite a bit done today. Trying to get her degreased and cleaned up. I want to do away with these vacuum ports here. I'm not sure exactly what they are unless they go to the heater controls. I know there's some right back there in the back, right there, that come off the back of the intake. And I think that vacuum canister right there is what works your heat and defrost and everything. Most of these trucks have got a little catch can over here that I've had that holds vacuum too. This being a 400, it may be different. I don't know. Those were 302s. But anyway, anybody got any advice on getting rid of these? I guess, are they useless, or, I mean, do I need them? I don't think I do. And those back there, those are all obviously plugged off anyway. And we're going to pull the distributor and water pump, valve covers, plugs, everything, get it down to pretty much the bare engine. And then start painting and touching it up. And I'll touch that firewall and all this, get this stuff all cleaned up. And the fender wells and master cylinder and all that cleaned up. Of course, the hood, get her running and going down the road good, and then we can start on the body work and stuff. Anyway, opinions, advice on this 400. Don't know a whole lot about the 400s. I know most Ford guys don't like them, but this one seems to run really good and has great compression. And it looks like down here on the oil pan, you can see a new pan gasket. Don't know if you can see that or not. See that little edge right down there? You can see it's been permatexed. So this motor has been apart. So that's a good thing. So I'd say she's been rebuilt. I can't imagine a Ford ever lasting this long. But anyway, she runs awful good for it to be the original engine if it's not been rebuilt. So I'm betting money that's been gone through and re-ringed and everything. Whoever done it, seems like they've probably done a pretty good job. We shall see. I've had them blow up in my face after I put lipstick on a pig, clean it all up, and then it smoke or something, but I don't think it's going to. But anyway, just giving you a little update. Sun's going down in Kentucky. Beautiful day here. Grass is starting to get green. You can see all the greenery. Got my little tractor out. Look at all the green coming around us. Place is a mess. Storms blowed everything over, but we'll get her cleaned up. Anyway, signing out. Let me know what you think.